Hi everyone, I'm Ujjwal and you are watching DigitWise. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find all posts and reels where you have commented a photo. So if you have been using Instagram's photo comment feature and want to see all the posts and reels where you have shared photo comments, Instagram make it easier to check your comment history. And to do this, open Instagram and then click on your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now next, click on this three horizontal line at the top. Next, go to your activity. And now here in interaction section, click on comments. And now you will see the list of comments you have posted across Instagram. So scroll through the list and open any comment to jump directly into the original post or reels where it was shared. This is a great way to track your interactions and quickly find the post where we have uploaded photos in the comment section. If you want to delete any comment, then all you just need to click on this select button and then select the comments you want to delete, and then finally click on this delete button, and after that a confirmation pop-up will appear. Here click on delete again, and that's it. That's how you can find Instagram posts and reels where you have commented photo from your gallery, and if you want to delete them, that was the process. So if this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.